What is up, my YouTube beans? So I am here with another video after a really long time because that's just what happens a lot. I'm doing a hair color removing video, pretty much just showing how I do it. This will be the second time that I will be removing the color. It has not become any more damaged than it is. My hair is damaged, it's bleached. But I use Ion Color Brilliance. Boop, boop. Sorry about that. It's their hair color remover. It's for oxidative and non-oxidative color. So I will say that last time I lightened it, or I removed the color from it, it got a good 3 shades lighter in the purple and the blue. And I think it got a good 4 shade, maybe 2 shades lighter in the pink area, because the pink wasn't even that bad. So, of course, the blue and the purple will take a lot longer because they are darker colors. And the first step, since I've already done this, I already know, is that I need to shampoo my hair. But then once that's done, you will need a hair color bottle, the Ion Color Brilliance, and a pair of gloves. I also suggest using a repair treatment afterwards. I know I said that it didn't damage my hair any more than it already is, but I never really take chances, so I always use some sort of hair repair treatment. This one is Ion Reconstructive Repair. Can you see it? I don't know. This is really bad lighting, but I'm working with what I have. But yeah, so I'm gonna go shampoo my hair and I'll be right back. And I'm back with towel dry hair. Towel still in my hair. Woo! Okay, so once you have shampooed your hair, you are going to take 4 ounces of room temperature water or warm water. I kind of do warm water. You're going to put it in your little squeezy tube guy, and you're going to take the Ion Color Brilliance and just dump it in there. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta carefully dump it in. So there's actually a reason why I suggest using this hair color remover, and that is that is literally because all of the other hair color removers either don't work or they make your hair smell like eggs. So that's a thing. So what you're going to do once you have the color remover in the bottle is you're going to shake it up. There's never even a time that you have for how long you need to shake this. You just need to kind of shake it until it looks like this. And then even after that, I kind of just shake it a little more. So, ow. So this is actually going to cover my entire head. And I think it is shook. She's shook. I'm disgusted in myself. Okay, so another thing that I forgot to say, actually 2 things I guess that you need, is some sort of bag to cover your head once you have fully coated it in the hair color remover. Any bag of your choice. I use plastic bags, and you need a blow dryer. I'm not gonna get my blow dryer out. I was about to, but I decided not to. So it is actually time. That hurt. Okay, so how have you all been since I last uploaded, which is a while? This is also gonna take a while. So I might just boop in and out my head. I don't section it. It says to section it. You probably should, but I just kind of shove it on my head. There's not any rhyme or reason. I just shove it on my head. So, small technical difficulties. I don't know what happened, but it's finally coming up. It could be just because this packet was kind of old. It's a few months old from when I thought I was going to change my hair color, and then I didn't. But if you buy a new one, you should be completely fine. Again, I just kind of flop it onto my head. Ugh, it's so much more runny than it should be. It's fine though. I'm not going to concentrate a lot on the pink half, just because, again, that's already, but it's literally, I'm probably literally going to turn it pink. So what I'm doing is going pink and yellow instead of pink and purple. I should have said that in the first place. I don't know why I didn't. I'm not a professional at anything. Honestly, look at me, not in the frame. No, but honestly, I'm not a professional. I've just been doing my own hair for a long time. I don't bleach it myself because you can't, unless you're a professional, you just don't bleach your own hair. Don't do it. Haley, what's the reason? Just don't. That's the reason. Just don't do it. No, I'm kidding. A lot can go wrong with bleach. I never, ever, ever suggest bleaching your own hair. Like, even, I don't really suggest someone who doesn't know how to bleach hair either, but if you can get anyone else to bleach your hair for you, who kind of has an inkling of what they're doing, that would be great. So what I'm doing right here is I'm literally just squishing and rubbing it into my hair. The only reason I'm rubbing it through the pink is because of the blue here, and in case I have any purple on the pink side. So yeah, I'm going pink and yellow. I might have to end up putting the yellow on the pink side right now, like the side that's pink right now, just because I don't feel like the purple is going to lift enough for my liking. I've just been kind of like fading out the purple because it's bad to just bleach out. Don't bleach out a color, by the way. Do not bleach out a color ever. The bleach usually pushes the color back into your cuticle, like your hair follicles, hair cuticles, who am I? And it's not a good time. Like, you'll just end up with a bleachy, damaged mess. Well, I guess, okay, if you're lucky, it'll be bleached, like yellow, or a tint of green of some sort. But if you're unlucky, it will be bleached into just a lighter shade of what you have, and then it'll, oh, I dripped on the floor, and then it will be harder to remove from your hair because you've pushed it back into the follicles. So, little fun fact. Ow! Slapping myself in the face. So, I always end up with more product than I need, usually. So I just keep slapping and slathering and wriggling everything into my hair. It looks like the underneath part of this pink actually needs to be lifted. And I keep going out of frame, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm trying. But yeah, so my hair is pretty healthy for how much I bleached it. It's not healthy at all, but it is not cotton candy hair, which when your hair gets cotton candy, there is like no saving it. So I do know that one day my hair will become cotton candy, and this, I don't know, 18, maybe 20-inch growth that I have going on is just gonna get cut off, and I'm fine with that. You should consider being okay with it if you're ever going to like bleach and dye your hair, just because that's a possibility that should happen. And if it does happen, you're gonna rock it. So I still have like a little bit left. Technically it's a lot left, but I'm just gonna smush it onto my head more. Oh, another way that I find I know that this isn't like damaging my hair more than it already is it's not bleaching my roots at all, while the egg smelling color remover that I used so long ago, as well as the other one that didn't even lighten my hair, bleached my roots. They both did, so that's great. And it says to like smush and wriggle it under your hair. This is again why I use a deep conditioner or a repair treatment afterwards. I feel like y'all are getting a lot of double chin, and I'm sorry, but like it's happening. So, oh, did you hear that? Because I did. It squeaked at me. The worst part about this is literally the 30 to 45 minutes that it has you waiting, because you're not just sitting there waiting, you are periodically blow drying your hair. I don't suggest to blow dry it the entire time, because that makes your head really hot and it hurts. But I do periodically, like every, I think 5 minutes, I give it a 1 to 2 minute blow dry while massaging the head through the bag, which sounds weird now that I'm saying it out loud, but like it helps. And of course you're not going to go completely bleach blonde after the first use, especially if you're a darker color like this purple. I'm not expecting it to go completely blonde. Maybe, I'm hoping for another like 2-3 shades. So it's probably going to be pink. And if it does, then I'm just going to do what I said earlier with the pink and yellow that I'm going with. And blah, blah, blah. Shoving the yellow on the pink half of my head, which is more dye than the other half. And I'm not going to bleach my roots for a while, because I don't want to. That's a fun fact. Okay, so I'm going to put the bag on my head. I'm going to probably do 30 of the 45 minutes that they allow you, because it's a really tedious process. I hate doing it. It's not fun. I'm not going to record it, because again, it's not fun. It's just me sitting there with a blow dryer. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm showered. Aw, the makeup's gonna be on. Oh well. Okay, I'm back, kind of, mostly. Like, it's been a few hours for me. But here are the results. I think it did the same thing again. It lightened maybe, I'm gonna say it lightened like 2 shades underneath, but it was like 3 shades on top on the purple side. The pink side is pretty much done, aside from the bottom, of course, which that always happens, but the bottom did lighten again, like maybe 2 shades. So yeah, I really need to cut my bangs. It's fine, this is fine. But here is technically the end results, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, I don't know how to end these. Like and subscribe in the doobly-doo below. Bye, my beans.